Welcome on my YouTube channel Crypto Gems. Today I will tell you about a new floor token that will be a real rail. And today I will tell you can change the token BUY and its cryptocurrency. Before starting the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the button Alaikum. Website link in description. Let's start video. The name of this token is #Panda. #Panda is the most fairly distributed meme token in existence, with built-in reflection and automatic liquidity contributing mechanisms. Its mission is to make cryptocurrencies mainstream. To this date, more than 95% of #Panda's total token supply has been either distributed for free to random users or burned. #Panda currently has over 28,000 community members on TG and over 750,000 token holders on BSC, with a meme-sharing app under development. As of October 2021, #Panda is free of any whale dump risk with zero undistributed supplies held by team. And most importantly, it features a panda. If you want to have join-in website, then join Twitter and Telegram. I click on their website button. Next, a decentralized meme token. #Panda aims to become the most decentralized meme token in existence, distributing its token to over 1 million users and surpassing Dogecoin in the number of holders. Next, #Panda features auto liquidity locking, yield farming, and app utility. Next, token features that benefit users and token holders. Features of Panda. Utility for apps, auto yield farming. Next, distribution. Decentralized distribution using community mechanisms. Programmatic distribution, community rewards, tipping users/creators. Next, benefits. Countless benefits for #Panda token holders. Fairly distributed, rising price floor, anti-whale safety. Next, the #Panda project. #Panda's mission is to become the most decentralized and most fairly distributed meme token in the world. We've pioneered a distribution mechanism that allows us to distribute tokens in a social way, preventing whale dumps and thus creating a safe haven asset that can serve as a piggy bank for years to come. Additionally, our token holders receive 3% of all transactions, providing the benefit of automatic yield farming. Next, the problem. #Panda solves the problem of unfair token distribution and frequent whale dumps. Take Dogecoin for example. The largest holder owns 28% of all tokens. This holder could single-handedly crash the price by an estimated 96%. Most other tokens have a similarly uneven supply distribution. For these tokens, a handful of individuals own major portions of the supply, resulting in continuous dumps and unsustainable price pressure in the long term. Next, the solution. #Panda solves this problem through an innovative social distribution mechanism. This mechanism is responsible for distributing 80% of all eventually circulating Panda tokens to a wide range of holders, 2 million token holders to be precise, making #Panda the most decentralized meme token in existence. This is done by programmatically subscribing to all transactions on Binance Smart Chain, which are public by nature, and randomly picking a couple thousand winners each day, who are gifted with a set number of Panda tokens. The receivers of Panda tokens usually become long-term holders and loyal project supporters. Next, decentralized distribution. We believe our approach is the fairest and most sustainable way to create a decentralized token. It helps to ensure the stability of the future token value and serves as an effective anti-whale measure. You can track the distribution progress of 400 Panda tokens below. The progress bar is updated every 48 hours. Next, token holders 714,328. Circulating supply 113,559,500,000,000. Market cap $1,191,835. Community size 37,812 plus members. Join the #Panda gang. Next, join Telegram. Buy on Pancake Swap V2. I click on their Pancake Swap V2 button. Next, and changed 500 BNB into BitUp. Thanks for watching. My next video coming soon.